1/3. 1/3 of all women will experience incontinence leaks in their lifetimes. And that's approximately 50 million women in the US alone. You're likely familiar with the multitude of products available on store shelves today to help deal with these pesky leaks, like pads, liners, and diapers. But the vast majority of these products are just absorbent, disposable products that aren't even designed to prevent leaks. If 50 million women are peeing their pants on a regular basis, why aren't there any actual preventative options available that are accessible to women these days? Until now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to MoxyPatch. MoxyPatch is a patent-pending, reusable, and over-the-counter device used to prevent the unintentional leaks due to stress urinary incontinence. MoxyPatch consists of a soft medical-grade silicone base along with a kit containing 30 replaceable adhesive hydrogel pads. It will be available online and in retail, mass market, and pharmacy stores so that it's accessible to all women. No doctor's appointments, no fittings, no prescriptions, and it'll even be covered under most healthcare spending accounts in the US. So, how are we going to do this? The focus of the year one launch will be in the US market and primarily online as we build our audience and gain initial sales and brand awareness. In years 2 and 3, we plan to increase our store count significantly as we place further focus on retail and begin to pursue both Canadian and strategic international markets. Moxy's image is intentionally sassy without being crude or gross. Our marketing and social media depict real everyday problems and people, like featuring postpartum bodies with stretch marks or cellulite. Real women. We want to get people talking about their leaks and MoxyPatch. And in terms of what's next, we're excited to have recently completed and filed our medical device listing for MoxyPatch and corporate registration with the FDA. Winning the LiONS LAIR competition would allow us to finalize the purchase of the steel silicone mold required to manufacture and bring this amazing product to life. With the strategic plans we have in place for Moxy, our expertise in the consumer packaged goods industry, and launching products on the Amazon US marketplace, we are confident that MoxyPatch will be the next disrupting innovation in the feminine care and incontinence categories. We're also excited to have recently met with the 3 pillar of business LiONS, and we're proud to say that we have received excellent scores in all 3 of the categories assessed. MoxyPatch is an innovative, environmentally friendly, true solution that 50 million women in the US alone are anxiously waiting for. I look forward to continuing our discussions and helping women to regain their Moxy. Thank you.